Hi everyone, my name is Kajal and I welcome you to the series of multithreading part 2. In this part we will be discussing about processors and cores. Processor is brain of computer. Processor is a brain of computer which basically helps in processing all the tasks that are given to computer. Let's say this is my computer and inside this computer I'll have one processor. In my case, I'm recording this session on my Mac with M1 processor. Inside this processor, there is something called cores. Whenever I'll tell you about my processor, I'll say I have M1 processor octa core. Octa core means what? Core is the smallest unit of processor which helps in processing things with processor. So basically, processor is something which takes care of the cores, smallest part of processor which helps in execution of the task. Processor manages all the cores internally. The task inside a computer of processor is to manage all cores, and cores are basically helps in executing the program. Now I'll talk about in terms of multithreading. Multithreading means what? Multiple threads. So now with the help of multi-threads, we want to achieve parallelism, where I want that multiple threads should be doing the smallest tasks and parallelism could be achieved. Now I have explained you that processor is a brain. Inside these processor, we have cores running, and the cores are basically taking care of the execution of multiple tasks, right? So what I want to say, let's say I have 8 cores. You cannot start multiple threads or you cannot execute multiple threads onto one core. This question can come in your mind. Can I have only number of threads equals to number of cores? So the answer to that question is no. We can have n number of threads, whatever we want, but parallelism will be happening only for the threads. Only for the number of threads we have number of cores available. After that, we will not be achieving parallelism, but we will be achieving concurrency. Now there is a way by which you can see how many cores are available inside your system. So for that, we will have this main class, and inside this main class I'm just printing my available cores by running this runtime. So this runtime, if you will say, it's a class which has a method called getRuntime and then available processors. So if you execute this program, you will able to see that for my system there are 8 cores available. So that means 8 threads can run in parallel. I can make 12 or 20 threads, but only 8 threads will be running in parallel and all the remaining threads will be running concurrently. If you don't know the difference between concurrency and parallelism, then you can refer the video link that is coming onto the top right corner of this video. In the next video, we will be talking about how can you create threads. Thank you so much.